Sceptre monitors are popular budget-friendly displays that often support much higher refresh rates than their default 60 Hz setting. Understanding and unlocking these capabilities can significantly enhance your viewing and gaming experience. Refresh rate measures how many times per second your display updates its image, measured in hertz. While most monitors default to 60 Hz, higher refresh rates like 144 Hz provide dramatically smoother motion and reduced screen tearing. Screen tearing occurs when your graphics card sends frames faster than your monitor can display them, creating visible horizontal lines. Higher refresh rates help eliminate this issue. Most Sceptre monitors support refresh rates well beyond the standard 60 Hz. Entry-level models typically support 75 Hz, gaming-oriented models offer 100 to 120 Hz, and high-end models can reach 144 Hz or higher. To determine your monitor's maximum refresh rate, you'll need to identify your specific Sceptre model number, which is usually found on the back of the monitor or in the product documentation. The type of connection between your graphics card and monitor is crucial for achieving higher refresh rates. Different cable types and port versions have varying capabilities. HDMI 1.4 supports up to 75 Hz at 1080p resolution, while HDMI 2.0 can handle up to 144 Hz. DisplayPort 1.2 and higher versions provide the best support for maximum refresh rates and are recommended for gaming setups. Look at the back of your Sceptre monitor to identify which ports are available. The OSD button, typically located on the lower portion, will be used later to access the monitor's settings menu. To successfully achieve higher refresh rates, ensure your graphics card supports the desired rate, use the appropriate cable type, and verify that your system performance can handle the increased refresh rate. Updated graphics drivers are also essential for optimal compatibility. Newer Sceptre models from 2023 to 2025 feature significantly improved on-screen display menus and enhanced compatibility with the latest graphics drivers from NVIDIA and AMD, making the setup process more straightforward. There are three main methods to change your Sceptre monitor's refresh rate. We'll walk through each method step by step, starting with the monitor's built-in menu system. Method 1 uses your monitor's built-in on-screen display menu. First, locate the menu button on your Sceptre monitor, typically found on the back or side of the device. Navigate through the menu using the directional buttons to find display or picture settings. Look for options labeled refresh rate, frequency, or hertz. Select your desired refresh rate from the available options. Common choices include 75 Hz for basic improvement or 100 Hz and higher for gaming. Confirm your selection to apply the changes. Method 2 uses Windows' built-in display settings. Right-click anywhere on your desktop and select Display Settings from the context menu. In the Display Settings window, scroll down and click on Advanced Display Settings. This will show detailed information about your connected monitors. Select your Sceptre monitor from the list, then choose your desired refresh rate from the drop-down menu. Click Apply to confirm the changes. Method 3 uses your graphics card's control panel. For NVIDIA users, open the NVIDIA control panel and navigate to Display, then Change Resolution. AMD users should open AMD Radeon settings and go to Display, then Custom Resolutions to adjust refresh rate settings. If you encounter issues changing refresh rates, the most common problem is cable limitations. Different cable types support different maximum refresh rates. Other solutions include updating your graphics drivers and adjusting resolution settings if necessary. DisplayPort cables generally provide the best support for high refresh rates.